Hey there! Have you ever had to carry a big stack of stuff all in one go, but the stack is so tall you can barely see? Well, I've got a life hack for you. The key is... The key is to carefully watch your step, and that means light. Lots of light. Cutting corners and mixing lighting systems in a last mile delivery truck is going to result in lower quality and less reliable lighting. Not only is it more expensive to maintain a lower quality lighting system over the life of the vehicle because of increased maintenance expenses and downtime, but spec'ing the wrong lights can create additional expensive issues. Chief among these is an increased risk to the safety of the driver, the vehicle, and the public. This is why most lighting manufacturers will recommend LEDs in most part of the vehicle for fleets searching for the highest quality lighting solution. It's crucial to spec quality lighting for last mile delivery vehicles anywhere the driver might need to take a step when dropping off a package. This includes the scene on and around the vehicle like steps, ramps, liftgates, and the surrounding pavement and sidewalks. Think of it this way. The more high-quality light illuminating the exterior of the vehicle, including equipment controls, as well as the area around the vicinity of the vehicle, the better. Adequate lighting will translate into higher productivity and a safer overall environment. Of course, so far we've only talked about lighting to prevent trips and falls, but driver safety when driving the vehicle is obviously just as important, and spec'ing the right warning strobe lighting can be worth its weight in gold. Prevent one accident and a strobe light has paid for itself at least 10 times, maybe more. Just keep in mind that like most vehicle components, even something as simple as a strobe light is sold under different classifications, and choosing the wrong class can give the wrong impression to other motorists. Last mile delivery vehicles should be using Class 2 lights. SAE has 6 classifications for vehicle safety warning lights. Classes 1 through 3 are applied to both J595 and J845 lights. J595 lights are directional flashing lights, while J845 are omnidirectional or 360-degree warning lights. Class 1 lighting is used most often for emergency response vehicles. Class 2 is used most often for utility vehicles moving slowly or blocking traffic, and Class 3 are low-intensity lights used indoors out of direct sunlight. Fleets looking to improve driver safety should also spend a minute to consider the brightness ratio between tail and brake lights. Last mile delivery vehicles make lots of stops in congested streets, and distracted driving from other drivers can lead to rear-end collisions. With a high ratio between tail and brake lights, it's more likely other drivers will see the vehicle day or night. For more trucking equipment content, head over to fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching.